Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install GnuCash on your MacBook. GnuCash is a free and open source accounting software that helps you manage your finances, track expenses, and even handle small business accounting. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, Brave, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, go to the official website by typing www.gnucash.org and press Enter. Once the website loads, look for the Download section. Now, under macOS, you'll see two versions available, one for Apple Silicon Macs and one for Intel Macs. If you're not sure which one your Mac is using, here's how to check. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About This Mac. Here you'll see your chip information. If it says Apple M1, M2, M3, or newer, choose the Apple Silicon version. If it says Intel, then choose the Intel version. Once you've selected the correct version, the download will begin. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the GnuCash file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the GnuCash icon into your Applications folder. This will copy GnuCash into your applications. Once it's finished, you can close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Now go to your applications and open GnuCash. The first time you open it, you might see a security message. Just click Open to confirm. And that's it. GnuCash is now installed and ready to use on your MacBook. You can now start creating accounts, tracking your income and expenses, and managing your finances with ease. Alright, that's it for this video. Simple, quick, and straight to the point. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.